So for lighting in my videos, I use the Elgato key lights. They have cool features like remote control that has automatic light detection, and they produce an amazing amount of light for how thin they are. There's only really one problem with them for me, and that's that they're really designed to be clamped to a desk, like for a streamer, but I don't really stream much anymore. So I wanted a way to make them into portable lights, so I could run them off of a USB-C power bank or like a wall wart or something. So today I'm going to make an adapter that takes the barrel jack on the back of the Elgato key light and gives us a USB-C port instead. So a quick note about the USB-C power delivery spec. It's kind of weird. There's actually many voltages you can have. Luckily for us, the Elgato key lights run off of 15 volts, so that's what we're going to use. For this project, I bought a USB-C power delivery trigger board from Amazon that lets you pick which voltage you want. I also got a barrel plug that's 5.5 by 2.5 millimeters with the positive in the middle. Elgato was nice enough to screen print on the back of the key light the layout of the pins for the barrel plug. So we're just going to solder the red wire to positive and the black wire to negative on the trigger board. Then looking at the legend on the back of the board, to get 15 volts, we need the 3 switches to be in the off-off-on position. I designed this little case for the board and printed it out in PETG. I also added zip ties onto the cable to provide strain relief just in case. To mount this, I just used some VHB tape and stuck it to the back of the key light. I kind of recommend this position because the whole rest of the back is metal meant for heat dissipation of the light itself. To hold the battery bank, I made this little screw-in clamp-on holster that perfectly fits my Baseus battery bank. Even though I don't plan on taking this holster on and off regularly, I added some heat press inserts to the design so that I could easily put screws in and take them out if I need to. For the light stands, I bought these really cheap Amazon Basics ones. For some reason they were one for $29 or two for $30, so I bought two, duh. I also got this cheap ball mount that lets us have some flexibility in the positioning of the light. For the USB-C cable that goes from the battery to the light, I picked up some of these coiled ones to keep everything tidy even when the light is at different heights. With the battery pack I chose, I get about 2 hours of runtime with a power draw of 25 watts max at full brightness. So these modified lights have been perfect for me. I can now put the light wherever I want when I'm making videos and then put them away in the closet when I'm not. In the description I'll have a list of all the items I used for this build as well as a link for the STL files.